Got this Honda Civic. Hole bent in, fender bent in, everything damaged. So we're gonna get that together and also get that fixed. I took it out of the pack. The package now I'm gonna pop open the top so it can expose the chemicals, but also you seal the cap back off with this same top. Once I crack it, let's see, can I do it with one hand? Boom, it's off. Let's mix up some. It's a two-part. Meaning that you got the actual material and the hardener. Gonna mix up some and apply and come back. Applied the epoxy. Got it filled. Sand it, 80 grit. Clean it up. And do my plastic repairs complete. I'm gonna do my body work. Got it repaired, primed, sat overnight. You can see heavy orange peel in that primer, some thick primer. I shot it with like a 2.0 as well. I'm gonna block this out and get to it. What's up, world? We in the booth. You know we live in the booth. I took the bump off, repaired it. As you seen, it was holes in the bumper. And my glove, just like my glove, hole in my glove, hole in the bumper. But I took the bump off, repaired it. It was the big damage down there. You know, I'm applying my base. So, and a little repair up top back there. Apply my base, I'm gonna do one more coat of base, and then I'm gonna come back with the clear. But the main thing, it was a hole in that bumper. They want that bumper, a hole like that bumper. So the hole is going out that bumper. See the line, everything's good. Got a little spot right there that's pushed out. But that wasn't a concern. I even fixed some stuff up there that was pushed in. You know, get them back on the road for the load. You already know. You ain't got to be rich. You ain't got to have all that. Just, you know, everybody ain't got it. But one thing that everybody do have is a budget. And I'll meet your budget, get you back on the road. You ain't got to slide with dents or your bumper falling out with big holes in it after you hit somebody with no insurance. Well, you probably got insurance, but you got the PIP. So it's all on you. After the scene of the accident, they wrap that yellow tape around your car. It's all on you after that. Come see me, come holler at me. Get you back right. Okay, we got it cleared up. Ready to go. You know, no runs, no sags, no drips, no nothing. You know, that's what a lot of painters want. We know we still in the booth. Got that hole done. It's all nice and cleared up. But, you know, no painter wants sags, runs and stuff, but I give to myself because I ain't got no sags, runs and stuff. But guess what? You know, it's hot in the summer, so hot in the summer. It's hot in the summer, but the time it is right now is hurricane season, so it's raining. But by it's hot, and let me slow it down for you so you understand. Since it's hot in the summer, we use slow hardening reducer, and the additives be slow. so it don't dry so quick since the weather's so hot. But it's hurricane season, so therefore the weather outside is very bad, but I still use the products that I had. So guess what? Even though I use slow, it's kind of cool. So when I say no runs and sags, I ain't just tooting my horns, no runs and sags. I'm just happy ain't no runs and sags, because let me take y'all outside. Fiberglass. Woo woo. And boy, gonna be. But see, it was just pouring down, raining. As you see, it's still raining, but I'm in the booth, in the rain. Look at the clouds. There go a rainbow to let me know I'm okay. There go Spirit Allies in the air. They about to get ready to land. So I pray to God the kids don't be scared, because that mother sucker do shake. Look at them in the rain. But you know, I ain't gonna hold y'all up too long in the booth. Fire suppression system, you already know. But there we go. Car a little dirty.